Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all go ahead and put on your running shoes, grab your car keys and your phones. I have two glitches to talk about. One is definitely a run glitch deal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, jumping right in, I do want to go ahead and mention that I have already uploaded two other kind of glitch list video. The first one was on Sunday. In that video, I believe I cover about 30 glitches that are going on at Dollar General. And then the second one was earlier today, where I go over about 4 or 5 new glitches. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check those out as well. And as always, all of my most recent videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And let me just go ahead and tell y'all, your girl has been working overtime this week. I've been putting out video after video after video. So thank you all so much for watching and supporting my channel. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to make sure that you scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about this first glitch, which I'm going to call our back to school supplies glitch. Amazing, right, guys? I am so excited about this one. Now, for this glitch, I know that you guys hear me all the time say that this glitch is only working on old registers, old registers, old registers. Well, this glitch is working on self-checkout registers and new register stores. So the stores where they have the touchscreen registers and they do not have the keyboards underneath. So for this glitch, you are going to go into Dollar General and you are going to look for these 2-pocket plastic portfolio folders. These are on sale right now, 3 for $1 or 33 cents each. Now, there are different colors to choose from. Here are just a few that are showing up in the app. We've got yellow, red, blue, green. I think there's also black and purple as well. So find you a bunch of these folders. Just grab as many as you would like. If you want to scan them with your Dollar General app to make sure that you have the correct type of folder, once you scan it in the app, this sale will show up underneath the folders. Okay, it's 3 for $1 on select Office Hub index cards, plastic rulers, or the 2-pocket folders. Now, here is the UPC for all of the folders. It doesn't matter which color, they should all have the same UPC code. Now, once you get up to the register, these items will actually ring up for $1 each. That is their regular price. And then, if you're at a self-checkout, you're going to hit Pay Now. Or if you are at the new registers with the cashier, once they hit total, it should take off 99 cents, and you are going to pay 1 penny per folder. So again, this glitch is only working at self-checkouts and at new register stores, the touchscreen register stores where they do not have the keyboard underneath, okay? Now, as always, if you guys go out and do this glitch, please come back and let us all know how it worked out. Like I said, this is definitely a run glitch deal. Dollar General will definitely be fixing this in their system ASAP. So go ahead, run on out to the store, try this deal out, and please come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. Because, of course, that always helps me to kind of know and understand what you guys are experiencing out there. But it also helps our entire crazy couponing community here. So if you go out and try out this glitch, please come back and let us know how it all worked out. And like I always say, details are important. So what kind of register did you use? Did you go through the new register with the cashier or a self-checkout? How many did you purchase? What was your total out of pocket? And what's really going to be helpful with this glitch, because like I said, it could end at any time, and your girl is kind of stuck at home right now working on these clearance event videos for you all. If you could come back, Let us know if it worked, if it didn't work, and what time you tried the deal. If you want to throw in your time zone, Eastern Standard Time, Central, Mountain, whatever, that would also be super, super helpful, not only for me, but for your fellow crazy couponers. All right, now let's move on into this second glitch. Now, this glitch has to do with the 5 off 25 DG Store coupon that some people received for this week. So you could use it any day of the week. Now, I did not receive one of those because I was not out shopping at Dollar General last Saturday. Last Saturday, I was at Walgreens stocking up on household supplies, so I missed out on that deal. However, I did get an email with some receipts from a wonderful crazy couponer, and she actually went to the store, and her 5 off 25 for all week long stayed on her account, and she was able to use it multiple times back to back. Now, again, I don't have a whole lot of details because I couldn't go out and try to replicate this glitch and confirm it, but by looking at her receipts and chatting with her, I can tell you all that her 5 off $25 every day DG Store coupon, once she used it one time, it was actually still on her account. So she thought, hey, I'm going to try this again, and it actually came off a second time. Now, I can also tell you guys by looking at the receipt, she was at an old register store. So if you all have used your 5 off 25 everyday DG Store coupon, if that is still showing up on your account, it's very possible that that thing is going to work multiple times for you all. And the reason why I wanted to go ahead and bring this up tonight is because tomorrow is the first day of the Dollar General clearance event. And I know that a lot of people have saved their 5 off 25s for tomorrow to use them on the first day of the clearance event. So if you go through the line and that 5 off 25 comes off, check your account, see if that is still on there tomorrow, and please come back and report what happens. So huge, huge, huge thank you to those of you out there, all of my crazy couponers who have sent me in deals, who have helped out over the past couple of weeks, because let me just tell you, between Walgreens last week and DG this week, these stores are giving me a run for my money, staying up to date on all of these deals. So you guys out there who have helped me out, thank you all so very much. And to all of my other crazy couponers out there who have been watching the videos all the way through, leaving thumbs up, smiles in the comments, and very, very encouraging comments. Thank you guys so much. Without y'all, I couldn't do what I do. So I'm going to keep powering on. Like I said, the Dollar General clearance event starts tomorrow, so I'm going to have one more video out tonight. Again, it might be 9 or 10 o'clock, but I promise you all, it will be there for you all. Plus, I'm going to try to put one out first thing tomorrow morning before the stores open up. So, I'm going to get to work on those videos. You guys run out, get in on this deal while you can. But of course, before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Good luck out there. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a beautiful day.